Holiday planning is an exciting time for everyone. A typical passenger today starts his search with various websites and speaks to a few travel agents. This involves a few weeks of planning and research. The buying process itself is confusing. Everything takes too long. There is no clear information. The choices are limited. There is no transparency. The post-sales process is more frustrating. The companies rely on people and broken software, and everything is manual. There are only last-minute calls for documents or money. The companies experience something very different. The customers are very demanding. The reliance on experts is very heavy. The interaction is very high. Vendors operate manually. Accounting is a nightmare. In a nutshell, holidays is a very profitable business to be in. It is an intrinsic part of people's lives. However, the entire process of selling and operating a holiday is painful for the traveler and the company. The actual tour is no better. You are constantly searching for a person or a vehicle. All your tours have a tentative timing from a spot. There is no person to connect to. If you need another tour, you rely purely on your senses. If you want a change in hotel or a tour, there is no flexibility at all. The final part is the post-tour connect. All customers are subject to extensive notification and email marketing. There is no sense of direction on his requirements. There is no individual level life cycle mapping. Thus, companies end up spending much more on the same customer. It will take time, money and effort. But all this can be turned around. A complete automation solution, which currently does not exist, is the answer to all these problems. It is an idea of the future. It is an idea that will change the world. It is an idea that will make both sides of the table very happy. Vincittt is a one-stop solution for all the issues in this business. Why are we talking about holidays? It is a $55 billion answer. Yes. You heard it right. It is a $55 billion answer. India's travel industry is very small compared to the rest of the world. The only thing working in our favor is that our internet reach is comparable. The overall travel market will grow to $55 billion by 2020. The number is basis Google and Boston Consulting. Holidays is 30% of this industry. No large company is focusing on this segment right now. The time to focus on this segment is now and the opportunity is fantastic. The plan is very complex and tedious. However, the plan is also very simple. Every element of the most profitable business are manual. Vincittt is an effort to automate the same. Vincittt will not only automate the entire process, it will be powered by artificial intelligence to grow on its own. We will create technology for every element of the business. The net result of implementing this technology is phenomenal. On the business front, we will see reduction of team sizes up to 70% and a marketing reduction by 30%. The customers will experience a very different service level with complete transparency. The travel companies will have a very clean product development and accounting system. All this will come to them at minimum cost. Vincittt is a complex program. It will enable a consumer to have 100% choices, for every possible combination. Vincittt will enable live inventories pooling into a scrunch platform. Then convert the various feeds into a product as desired by a customer. And then allow him complete flexibility to amend his desired tour as per his liking. This means no more waiting. No turnaround time. No dependency and no vague prices. This means accurate prices, instant availability, instant pricing, and instant confirmations. You can do this a million times. Major content from various sources will help you make a good decision. You can share anything at any time with anyone. This is just the beginning. Once you have made a purchase, the fun begins. Anything that you can possibly need will be on your fingertips. You are the one in control. All your important timelines will be added as reminders. Any changes that you desire will be done. All your documents will be through the system. The chat bots will be constantly answering all your queries. You will be assisted at all times. Vincittt will be at every step. It will keep you in constant connect with the services, drivers, guides and your transport. It will keep advising you on what to do next. All this will happen, while there is complete ability to change or add services. Payment gateways and trackers will be live. Vincittt is a complete software. Rest assured, Vincittt is monitoring at every level. One key reason why no one has attempted something like Vincittt earlier, is the complexity. Vincittt is a very complex platform. It utilizes chatbots, augmented reality, real-time trackers, artificial intelligence and much more to make a comprehensive platform for a user. Vincittt will be compatible to multiple devices and multiple level of users. As a platform, Vincittt will be a white-label solution for the travel trade. It targets everyone from the smallest travel agent to the very large key players and online travel companies. After all of them have the same problem when executing holidays and hand-holding customers. As a pay-per-use model, Vincittt also ensures no one has to invest heavily into technology. Vincittt is backed by a crack team of professionals. They are top of the line in their trade, and are eager to bring this dream alive. One key difference in the Vincittt team, is that this team, does not comprise of fresh graduates. The top 7 people in this team total to a 125 years in experience. This is not a fresh burner idea. It is a well thought through plan. The financial plan of Vincittt is also very different from other platforms. The idea stage requires $3 million. This lays down a platform to build a $500 million company in about 5 to 6 years. Unlike other travel startups and online companies, Vincittt has a clear view to profitability in the 5th year of existence or the 4th year of working. Vincittt is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Be a part of it. Be a part of the travel industry growth. Vincittt will have a very high demand outside of India. Eventually, Vincittt has a capability of powering holidays and tours, worldwide.